Hello, and thank you so much for taking a few minutes out of your day to take a look at Obsidian's Subprime Customer Financing and Cash Flow Benefits Program. We're going to take a look at one of the major benefits, which is 100% exclusivity. We only offer 100% exclusivity to your business, unlike some of the other customer financing sources out there today. You actually will not lose any sales to your competitors with us, where some of the others, like Care Credit, GE Money, they will allow your particular customer to go to other competitors and use the funding because they load it on a card or they have these other ways that the customer can use that. We don't do that. We fund specifically to your business. We fund $1,000 to $30,000 and finance from $1,000 to $30,000 specifically for you, which is paid to you after your products and services are delivered within 48 to 72 hours. So it's fast funding and it's guaranteed exclusive to your business. This is our capital protection and guarantee. This is the most important part of this whole entire program aspect. There's no upfront fees to be involved. We offer full protection to your business as far as capital protection goes. We give you tax advantage cash in the amount of $10,000 to $25,000 or more if you need it, and then that enrolls you into the program. The great thing about this is that once you're enrolled, you will always have access to capital within 24 hours when you need it. And in the event that we can't get it to you in that 24 to 48 hours, we'll pay you $750 check or cash, your choice. You see, the whole purpose of this is to make sure that you have the protection you deserve, because we understand accidents happen, equipment breaks, things go wrong, and it requires capital sometimes to fix those. We know that having $50,000 on hand sometimes just isn't a reality. Well, now with our capital protection program, it is. With us, you'll get the protection you need, and the money will be there for you at your fingertips when you need it most. All right, for our customer financing, the 30 to 60-day risk-free trial comes with part of the capital protection plan. For those of you that enroll in the capital protection plan, you can actually be involved with the customer financing aspect, where you get to try the services out for 30 to 60 days risk-free. The program does have a low monthly fee of $69.95 per month, but you can pay $3.99 down and get $39.95 a month for the customer financing. And we show you actually how to avoid this whole bullet point, how you can get this program to where it doesn't cost you anything. We have several programs where we can save you money, certain things that we do that actually show you how to increase money, bring more money in, offset your costs, and allow us to be a free service, which is our goal. Obviously, we measure our success by our customer successes, and that's why we offer this month to month. There's no long-term contracts with us or agreements. Now, you must submit 10 applications, full completed applications in the first 30 to 60 days to be able to apply this. And the reason for that is because we want to make sure that you're actually working and trying to fund people with this system, rather than just saying, oh, we'll just see what happens. And no, the guarantee works by submitting 10 applications, and we will do everything we can to help you get those people funded. And in the event that we can't get any of them funded, we'll reimburse you kindly and cancel your agreement at any point in time if you desire. So again, 30 to 60-day risk-free trial. This is popular. A lot of people try this because they want to know that it works. We're seeing great success with people not canceling or anything like that, because we're funding more people than they currently are, specifically because we go to a much lower credit criteria. Our low credit criteria is also a major benefit to you as a merchant. You see, we approve all credit types. You can increase your sales simply by offering financing to all of the people that are in the different credit types, from excellent, good, fair, poor credit. You see, there's people that are in the prime that we finance that have 680 or higher. There's people in the near prime. We finance all of them from 680 to 620, and even the subprime, people with 620 credit scores and below, down to 550s and even lower. You see, by doing this, you're giving your customers more options to come to you and buy your services and products. We offer 0% options and promotions up to 24 months, and all of the people in that 620 and below will get an automatic 12-month 0% APR guaranteed. Cosigners are okay for scores below 550 and don't have to be related, which is a great, great benefit to you guys. This is another one of the reasons why our customer financing is elite, because it allows you to finance more people through all credit types. Imagine using an advertisement for your marketing saying 0% up to 12 to 24 months for all credit types available. What would that do for your business? It would bring in a lot more people that didn't think they could afford your products and services simply because now they know there's an option. You know, what makes our customer financing program so great is the fact that it's online in the cloud. You get full approval reporting. You get online applications set up. You can have somebody go to your website. We give you a custom feature to actually include an application online that's all secured. So when they go fill out their information, hit submit, it uploads into your online back office. You can actually track all your new submissions, all your new applications. You can tweak the numbers, hit submit. You can start having people overnight while you sleep get pre-approved or at least get their application in so you can start the number crunching process to get them pre-approved within minutes. You can track your sales reps' funding deals and track commissions that are paid to them. You can actually track all of your deals from submissions to close. They'll tell you whether it's declined, why it's declined, what you need for the next status to get it to move through the process. Everything we do is here to streamline this particular financing process for you and your customers to get you more approvals and to make it easier on you to get these approvals and these sales closed. Our application through your website, again, directs people to your particular back office. We have what's called the pricing calculator that allows you to control your discounts. See, when you finance with us, depending on their credit criteria, we have 3 tiers. Tier 1, that's prime good credit people. That means we're going to fund up to 90 to 95% of that loan paid. We're going to pay out 90 to 95% of that loan to you. Then, if their credit 2 criteria, which is near prime, we're going to pay out 89 to 80% to you. And then our subprime will be anywhere from 70 to 79% paid to you. Now, we give you the ability to control your payouts. If you want to earn 100%, if you charge somebody $3,000 and you want to earn $3,000, we show you through our pricing calculator how they might have to pay $4,200 so you make your $3,000. It's a great way for you to control your discounts. We show you how to do that. Please make sure you set up your online demo to get a full inside scoop of this whole entire online approval process. You see, the great thing, too, is that we offer 100% non-recourse, which is a great benefit to you as a business because nothing can come back on you. There's no headaches, risk, or liability for you. Again, it's all about your business. The lenders can't come back to you and say, you gave us a bad loan, you created a bad loan for us, we're going to come back to you, and now you have to pay it. There's no buyback clauses or any crazy stuff. It's 100% non-recourse. It's all about your business and your protection. Being a cash flow-based and focused company, we focus on increasing one thing, your cash flow, whether it's reducing expenses, eliminating expenses, increasing cash flow through customer financing. We fund your invoices now with no collections. We want to make sure that you don't spend time being a collection agency. Let us take that over for you. We'll collect on all your invoices and receivables. We'll actually give you cash for them right away. We'll give you up to 85% cash now, and then when we collect it, we'll give you the difference. And we'll eliminate the hassle of waiting for funds. You know, the worst thing for a business is to wait 30 days just to get paid one time, and then to keep waiting 30, 60, 90 days. That can hurt your business dramatically. We understand that. That's why we have our cash flow program that allows you to get rid of that, where we'll take over your receivables. We'll actually fund them for you in advance so you don't have to worry about it. We'll collect them for you. We'll take over the whole collection side of things so you don't have to deal with it. This streamlined approach is becoming so popular with people. They're increasing their cash flow. They're able to do more with their business, and they're actually able to grow in a down economy. Here's another great merchant benefit, which is streamlined financial management. We streamline your financial management, eliminating all your double data entry. See, a lot of people do e-commerce. They have a shopping cart. The details go through, and then they have to do the information for that, and then they have to transport it and put it into their financial management. We streamline it to where less is more. So we have an easy online gateway that streamlines everything into your financial management software, from QuickBooks, Peachtree, and more. Whichever management software that you use for your financials, we can show you a way to streamline this into that. We also guarantee and save people at least 33% or more on their processing fees. Again, our cash flow program, this is part of our cash flow program, lowering your fees and increasing your profitability, guaranteed or we pay you. You see, we work with over 5 large banking processing relationships to be able to place you with the right processor based on your needs and your particular business structure. We guarantee that we'll get you some savings and streamline the process, or again, we'll pay you $500, and that's in writing. You know, we have our cash rewards program, which is probably my most favorite, specifically because we're changing the whole way businesses do business. You see, we're now offering businesses the opportunity to have a revenue share on their credit card processing, customer financing, social media and ad agency expenses, referrals, mobile marketing. All of these business expenses you write off every month, we're now offering you an ability to be a part of this cash rewards program that allows you to earn money back on them, getting more money back, creating a nice solid revenue stream, increasing your market share. How you increase your market share is by referring other people to us. How would you like to have some of your competitors' business? Well, if you refer your competitor to us, which is a choice that you would have to decide, we'll now pay you on all these services that we provide to them off of their business's production, which means you're getting a larger market share. The more people that you can send to us, the more money you can make. It's unlimited. So at this point, this is what really sets Obsidian Consulting apart, is our cash rewards program combined with everything else that we've discussed. Everything from here on out is going to be the benefits to the customer, and then where do you stand? Now that you've seen all the merchant benefits, there's quite a few, and we actually had to leave a few extra ones out, like our mobile marketing and our social media ad stuff, because it's just there's so much to cover that we're creating a whole new video for you guys to watch that are real interested in wanting to know full details about it. And it might be 45 minutes to an hour. So if you're generally interested, get with your Obsidian consultant. They'll give that to you, and you can find out more in depth about each individual portion of this and how it can benefit your business. Now, the customer benefits are awesome. They're simple. They give you more access. They give the customers more access to your products and services, and in result, giving you more sales. So they can purchase what they want with a funding solution. It gives you the opportunity to upsell them, give them a little bit more of a package. They can also, since we fund all credit types, you can drive more traffic to your business. The benefit to the customer is the customers that couldn't afford your products and services now have a second chance solution to buy your products and services. Think about that. By offering a no money down, 0% APR, finance up to 12 to 72-month term, low monthly payment option, you're more bound to drive traffic to your business, guaranteed, by having them in your ads, 0% APR offered up to 12 to 24 months for all credit types. How many more people do you think you would bring into your business? I guarantee you'd bring in at least 4 new customers that would fund with you, increasing your sales at least 10, 15, 20%. Now, I'd say that's a great start. Another benefit is they can reestablish their credit. Think about these subprime to near-prime customers that are used to paying crazy interest rates, and I'm talking 20, 30%. They're used to it because they have bad credit, which is why they continue to have bad credit, because they're most likely to default on that, and then they don't have a fighting chance. We give them that fighting chance. You're now giving them that fighting chance. With Obsidian's customer financing, they can get financing, 0% APR for 12 months, and pay it off in 12 months, and establish great credit and have that be a great trade lane for them. Another thing is that they don't have to be declined anymore, and you, again, are giving them a true chance to do this. It's a great customer benefits, great merchant benefits. Now that you've seen all the wonderful merchant benefits that we have for you, where do you stand? We just want to know at this point, where do you stand? You see, here at Obsidian, we focus on 2 things, results and cash flow for your business. And we're not here to help you. We're here to partner with you and work beside you to enhance the position you're in so you can grow and take your business to that next level. Now, most people fall into one of the 3 categories. We just want to know where you stand. Which one of these 3 are you? So that way we can follow up with you appropriately. Now, if you're number 1, that means, yes, I see the value. Let's get my business signed up. I can see the value in streamlining my financial management, getting my more customers approved with the financing, having that capital protection, and turning my receivables into cash. That's us. We want this. We see the value. We know that it's risk-free. Let's do it. That's fantastic. If that's you, we commend you. We applaud you. We will be in touch with you within 24 hours. and make sure that you get the